Ever since Trump got into office, there's been an endless amount of traitors close to him leaking classified information to the liberal media. Earlier this week, Anti-Trumper Reality Leigh Winner was the most recently discovered traitor, where she was promptly fired from her job as a government contractor and hauled off to jail. Now, in the wake of another Obama rat being discovered, we are now learning highly disturbing information about the woman, as her direct ties to Muslim terrorists was just chillingly revealed. On Monday, the NSA leaker who passed confidential government information to the press appeared in federal court on Monday after being arrested over the weekend. Not only is she part of the violent left-wing resistance movement of Obama's, but this liberal loon is also heavily involved in the Women's March movement and an avid BLM supporter. But that isn't even the worst part. She's also directly tied to Muslim terrorists, having working alongside the Islamic Society of North America, and was a blatant supporter for the terrorist regime in Iran. She loves Muslim terrorists so much, in fact, that she has a large Arabic script on her back frequently bragged about online. The Conservative Review reported. Reality Leigh Winner, 25, was arrested by the FBI this weekend in Georgia and appeared in court Monday to face charges. Winner admitted that in early May, according to the Department of Justice affidavit, she printed and improperly removed classified intelligence reporting and sent that information to the media. Also on Monday, The Intercept published a top-secret National Security Agency document related to Russian hacking efforts concerning the 2016 election. According to NBC News, Winner was the source of information for The Intercept, a far-left publication that supports American traitor Edward Snowden. Why Winner had access to a top-secret document on Russian hacking initiatives remains a complete mystery. That DOJ affidavit did not specify how she accessed the information. Winner wasn't shy at all about making her sentiments towards our president known, where she called a piece of SHT before deciding to go completely rogue on Trump. But Winner isn't laughing now. In the criminal complaint handed down in U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Georgia, the terrorist sympathizer was hit with a plethora of charges, including gathering, transmitting or losing defense information in relation to an alleged scheme to leak a NSA report to the media. Winner's antics were so devastating to our national security secrets, that our nation's #2 law enforcement official, Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein, felt it necessary to weigh in on the situation. In the press release announcing Winner's arrest and charges, Rosenstein wrote, "Exceptional law enforcement efforts allowed us quickly to identify and arrest the defendant. Releasing classified material without authorization threatens our nation's security and undermines public faith in government. People who are trusted with classified information and pledge to protect it must be held accountable when they violate that obligation." The Department of Justice is also involved now, stating on their website in a public statement just exactly what's at stake for this woman committing treason. A criminal complaint was filed in the Southern District of Georgia today charging Reality Leigh Winner, 25, a federal contractor from Augusta, Georgia, with removing classified material from a government facility and mailing it to a news outlet, in violation of 18 U.S.C. Section 793E. A statement from the Department of Justice read. On or about May 9, Winner printed and improperly removed classified intelligence reporting, which contained classified national defense information from an intelligence community agency, and unlawfully retained it, the statement continued. Approximately a few days later, Winner unlawfully transmitted by mail the intelligence reporting to an online news outlet. In the day and age we live in where everything you do online leaves a digital footprint, it's pretty hilarious that this idiot truly thought she could steal classified information from the United States government and never be caught. I guess liberalism truly is a mental disorder. How else can you explain this woman's reckless disregard for our nation's laws? It's good to know that America's enemies in the form of these leakers are finally starting to pay for their federal crimes. But with this woman's close ties to Muslim terrorists within the United States, who knows what else this woman did with the top-secret information she was privy to. It will be interesting to see what else comes of this case, as I'm sure more disturbing information will come to light in the coming weeks.